Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus at sign. This reading is weekly reading and reading is from July 18th to July 24th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Taurus, your recent past. Okay, let's see. The Lovers, Knight of Wands, the Hermit. There is strong love between both of you. The Lovers, your person could be Gemini or you could be a Knight of Wands, and your person, one person is very active in this connection and they are rushing towards you, whatever, but one person in this connection past is in hermit mode. They are thinking spiritually about this connection. So let's see what is going on in this connection right now. But strong love between both of you. The Lovers is here. So right now the Temperance, your person could be Sagittarius. Sag. 5 Sun, 8 of Wands. Wow. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, yes. So patience, pace, definitely, because patience and balance needed in this connection. Right now it is already going and a lot of communication is coming in your way. You both will communicate back and forthly because 8 of Wands, there is movement in this connection. In past there is hermit mode, one person is not active in this connection, they are thinking about rather than taking action, but now this patience is paying off. Because right now there is a fast movement in this connection and your person also want this long-term commitment to you, definitely, because this person is active right now. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. Playfulness, lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Beyond illusion, judgment, justice, and sharing. Queen of Wands, lot of passion between both of you. I think one person is stand by their power. They are very attractive when they stand by their power. Playfulness, definitely your person want to communicate you, and your person may be good looking and handsome. Justice, definitely you will get justice by, because in past you may be patient and balance the things, that's why you will get reward right now. Reconciliation, those who are in separation, those who are not in separation, your relationship is definitely going to next level because Ace of Pentacles, the justice is here, and sharing, Queen of Wands, lot of passion. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Taurus. This is very positive reading. Totality, 5 of Wands. Moment to moment, 2 of Pentacles. The Fool, new beginning, yes. Taking leap of faith, taking risk. Exhaustion, 9 of Wands. Lot of readings got this card also. I think one person is exhausted, but one person is very balanced and patient in this connection. So definitely your person is ready to take risk and leap of faith, and they want a new connection with you and new energy in this connection. 2 of Pentacles, in past they are juggling between two things and there are some issues also, but they want to end all these juggling, whatever going between both of you, and they want a new beginning with you because justice here, reconciliation, and your relationship is going to be next level, those who are not in separation. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.